So if this is a brand new printer that you're getting, do not put the ink that it came with in the printer. Okay, you guys, so the type of printer I have is the Epson 3710 ecotank. So we're about to open up this baby up and see what it's working with. We're about to open up this box and put our sublimation ink in there and go from there. This is a huge box, you guys. Dun, 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 dun. So as soon as we open the box, it has this ink, but we are not going to be using this ink, you guys. So do not pour this ink in your printer, and I'm going to tell you why just now. Manuals, we don't read that. It's heavy. Alright, so we took it out the box. So this is how it looks. I got the white one. When I tell y'all this printer is heavy, it's heavy. Alright. So this is where the paper goes, I guess. And then, y'all, I don't read directions, so it is what it is. So I'm just going to remove this. Give y'all some light real quick. Yeah, and the link for this exact printer is in my description, you guys. So don't make sure everything I use is gonna be in my description. So make sure you guys check it out. I'm just gonna remove all these tape. There we go. Remove this. I'm gonna remove this. And then let's open this baby up. Back. You guys can see. So this is how this part looks, where you can like make copies. So if we open this up, this is how the inside looks. It has different microchips in there and the ink and everything. I'll remove this tape. Remove that tape. So that tape was on the inside. So that's like the printer head and everything if you've never seen a printer head. Alright, so we're gonna close this down. And then we're just gonna move this Cricut over to the side. I hope you guys can see good. Alright. So this is where the ink is going to go. So we're gonna lift this up. Boom, that easy, you guys. So you lift this up and then just lift this part up. So these blue covers doesn't come off. You're just gonna flip it up and then fill the ink from there. And we had our, where the power cable? This is a power cable it came with, but we're gonna fill the ink before we do the power cable. So just to show you, these are the inks that came with the printer. These are not sublimation ink, so we do not want this in your printer. So if this is a brand new printer that you're getting, do not put the ink that it came with in the printer, or else the printer head will be all messed up. So just get your sublimation ink that you buy separately and then put that in there. So these are the sublimation inks that I got. I got these from Amazon. The link for those are definitely in my description, so make sure you check it out. So basically I'm about to pour these into here, and we're gonna fill these babies up. So these sublimation ink actually came with few syringes that you can use to fill up this ink. So I'm gonna put the syringes onto our ink, and then we can get started. So I open up the ink and I fill the syringe with the ink. So I'm about to just insert it into here. So I'm about to just inject it literally in that hole right there. This is gonna take a while, so this is gonna be like a time lapse of me just filling up this ink. Guys, so I got the ink, let me move this. I got the ink all filled up now, so we're about to plug this baby in and see if it works. So this is a plug that it came with. Let me just take this off. Basic standard plug. Plug it in the back, plug this in to the wall. Alright guys, so it came on. I'm just gonna print one thing so you guys can see how the ink looks, but me actually sublimating will be in another video. It will be in my sublimation phone case video. So I'm gonna just print one thing, and then that will wrap up this video. The printer is getting set it up. So we're gonna put the paper in here. So that's gonna take about 10 minutes to set up, so we'll come back after it's finished setting up. Alright y'all, so I have my design here and I'm about to print on here just to see how it will look. But me putting it, sublimating it on the phone case and everything will be another video. So I'm about to print it now. Here I have a sublimation paper in here. This is the sublimation paper. It's about. This is the sublimation paper that I got from Amazon, and this will also be linked in my description. So let's print it out and see what happens. Alright you guys, so this is the outcome of how it looks. So yeah, I think it printed pretty well. So in my next video, you'll see me putting this design on my sublimation case. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, okay? Period. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye. Bye.